In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form to your website using the Hostinger website builder. Contact forms are a great way to allow your visitors to reach out to you seamlessly, and setting one up is easier than you might think. So let's dive in. First, we'll start by opening the Hostinger website builder. To do this, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. Once logged in, navigate to the website builder section. If this is your first time here, don't worry, it's quite user-friendly. Simply select the website you want to edit from your dashboard. This will open up the website editor, providing you with all the tools you need to customize your site. Now that we have the editor open, let's add a contact form element to your web page. Look around for a plus icon or the Add Element button, which is usually prominently displayed in the editor interface. Click on that, and you'll see a variety of elements you can add to your page. Scroll down or search for the contact form element. Once you find it, drag and drop it onto your desired spot on your website page. Don't worry, you can always move it around later if you feel it doesn't quite fit. Next comes the fun part, customizing the form fields and the overall design. Click on the contact form you've just added. This should open up a sidebar or pop-up with options for customization. You'll probably see default fields like name, email, and message. You can add more fields or remove them based on what information you want to gather from your visitors. Customization options might also include changing the font style, adjusting colors, and tweaking the button's appearance to match your site's theme. Take your time here, as this is all about making your form not only functional, but visually appealing as well. With the form set up and looking great, it's crucial to ensure that submissions are sent to the correct email address. Somewhere within the customization settings, you should find an option for setting the recipient email address. Enter the email where you want to receive these form submissions, and make sure it's an address you actively monitor. This step ensures that you don't miss any messages from your visitors. Once you're satisfied with everything, the position, the look, and the destination email, it's time to save and publish your site. Look for the Save button in your editor, often situated at the top right corner. After saving, hit Publish to make your contact form live. This means visitors can now contact you using the form you've just created. And there you have it, a fully functional contact form on your Hostinger website. Hopefully, this walkthrough has made the process simple and straightforward. Feel free to reach out with any questions, and happy building!